Why do 80% of health experts swear by Amla? Because it's a powerhouse of goodness. Let's dive in. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a tiny fruit with huge benefits. Packed with vitamin C, it helps boost your immune system like a superhero. Feeling tired or worn out? Amla's got your back with its energy-boosting properties. But that's not all. It's great for your skin too. Say goodbye to acne and hello to a radiant glow. And if you love luscious locks, Amla strengthens hair roots and promotes growth. Got digestive issues? Amla can help there too. It aids in digestion and keeps your tummy happy. Plus, it's rich in antioxidants, which means it helps fight those nasty free radicals. So, why wait? Make Amla your daily go-to and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. Remember, sometimes big things come in small packages. Stay healthy, stay happy.